Hello and welcome back to another video. Hello and welcome to another Trains Out. Hello and welcome back to another video by Flying Scotsman. And today we are Nottingham and the first Trains Out series for 2020. To kick us off, the 1307 cross country service to Birmingham Cardiff Central departing 170 115. Now we see a terminating East Midlands Road. Incoming now we see a terminating East Midlands Railway service from Worksop. 158780 will be taken away with 1326 East Midlands Railway service to Mansfield Woodhouse. No, it's terminated from Mansfield Woodhouse going to Worksop. Get it right. Incoming now we see the terminating East Midlands Railway service from London to Pancras. Biggie on. What's Biggie on? Not. This formation is triple two. Yes. Yes. This formation with a stupid biggie on is 22014. Thank you. One, two, three, 4, 5. Getting ready to start now. Short, in theory, be the 1317 Northern service to Leeds. 15203 should be taken away this service. With 22014 going to be taken away the late one M1312 East Midlands Railway service to London to Frankfurt. It depends on what's first. It's got to be the 1317. No, it's the 1312 East Midlands Railway service to Going back to part now is the 1312 East Midlands Railway service to London to Pancras. One in about 16, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 6 minutes late. We'll be seeing services by East Midlands Railway, Northern and Cross Country. Off it goes! 22014, that's taken away the 1312 East Midlands Railway, service to London to Frankfurt. Ah, okay, I see what they've done. They've delayed the northern service to let that depart. Departing now is the late one in 1317, northern service to Leeds by Barnsley. This is running approximately 4 lanes. I think coming now we see the 1329 East Midlands Railway service to Lincoln Central. It's 158856. No, 858. Get it right. Right now, well, the 1320 East Midlands Railway service to Matlock, running approximately 2 lanes. It's 158 497. Okay, we have 2 services terminating in now. We have a terminating service one called Birmingham New Street, and we have the 1334 East Midlands Railway service to Norwich. 1329 East Midlands Railway service to... Well, the 170, the turbo start is 170. 170 398. Yep, 170 398 with 158 783. Thank you for that wave. Number is 156 473. Getting ready to depart now is 156 780 with the 1326 East Midlands Railway service to Workshop. One 158 I've taken away the 1334 East Midlands Railway, so it's Norwich. With 158 852 still in bloody Yes, it's East Midlands train still. One, 5, 8. One, 5, 8. 852 should be taken away by 1336 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester, Cullen Gap, the Eastern, East Midlands Parkway, North Barrow Upon Soar, Sileby, Leicester and Leicester. Passing through now is 60054 River, CB Schenker service to God knows where. Oh yeah, Lindsay Oil Refinery. Incoming now, we see the 1343 East Midlands Railway service to Newcastle. It's this formation from the 1343 East Midlands Railway service to Newcastle. It's 158. From me, here at Nottingham Station. Take care. Goodbye.